Hi! In front of me is Huawei Mate 20 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Start by opening settings. After that, you need to choose security and privacy, then tap on screen lock and passwords. And after that, set lock screen password. Then tap on change unlock method and pick the best one for you. I will go with pattern. Now you need to enter your login method and after that repeat it. Then choose done at the bottom right corner. And over here, if you wish to add your fingerprint right away, you can do that by tapping on enroll. I will go with cancel now, and now, when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!